Namaskar, and welcome to the Dr. Satish Polshettiwar educational channel, where science meets innovation and learning meets transformation. Today's episode, Imagine a Future. Or is it happening in the present? What if I told you that the technologies we once imagined for 2050 are already shaping the pharmaceutical world right now? Let's explore this AI-powered revolution not just as concepts, but with real case studies that prove the future is here. First, AI can design a new drug. Take Insilico medicine in 2020. They used AI to design a novel drug for fibrosis in just 46 days from target identification to a preclinical candidate. That's a process that usually takes 3 to 5 years, slashed to just weeks. There's generative AI, too, creating entirely new molecules, like DSP-1181, the first AI-designed drug to enter trials back in 2020. And AlphaFold, an AI model that predicts protein structures, crucial for understanding drug interactions. AI is no longer just assisting, it is innovating. Second, AI finds new drug delivery opportunities. Rani Therapeutics developed an AI-engineered robotic pill that replaces injectable biologics like insulin with oral delivery. AI optimized the pill's mechanism to target the small intestine, turning needles into smart pills. That's the power of AI-driven innovation. Third, AI delivers clinical trials in record time. During the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine trials, AI helped monitor real-time data, cutting trial duration dramatically. A vaccine that was approved in under a year, that's a historic milestone. AI speeds up decision-making, analysis, and adaptive trial design. Fourth, organ-on-a-chip technology. Emulate Bio, from Harvard's Weiss Institute, developed lung-on-a-chip and liver-on-a-chip systems to test drug toxicity. Big Pharma, like Johnson & Johnson, uses these to reduce animal testing. Human physiology on a chip is redefining preclinical testing. Fifth, robotics in supply chain and manufacturing. GSK's Smart Factory in the UK uses autonomous robots and AI for inventory, packaging, and even sterile drug manufacturing. Precision, hygiene, and speed, all thanks to robotics. Sixth, AI helps in process optimization. Novartis and Microsoft use AI to predict deviations in manufacturing and optimize quality control. Smart pharma plants are here, reducing human error and wastage. Seventh, blockchain prevents counterfeit drugs. The MediLedger project, involving the US FDA and pharma giants, uses blockchain to track and verify drug shipments. Blockchain makes counterfeit medicines almost impossible. Eighth, 3D printing personalized drugs. SPRITAM by Aprecia Pharmaceuticals is the first FDA-approved 3D printed drug for epilepsy. It dissolves instantly and can be customized for dosage. Soon, pharmacists could print your medicines like we print documents. The shift is clear from one drug fits all to precision, personalized, data-driven medicine. This is the future of pharmacy already unfolding in front of us. Let's not just witness the transformation, let's be a part of it. Like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Satish Polshettiwar educational channel and tap the bell icon to stay updated with futuristic pharma insights. #EduDose with AI, transforming learning.
Video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.